Isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite na laptop ko ngayon. Dati, I was dreaming about Acer Predator, but now, this laptop is just so wow. Probably it's because of the premiumness. So, isang factor kaya nagustuhan ko rin to is about these keys. Tignan nyo, guys. So this is the HP Omen Transcend 14. Ang daming magandang features ng laptop na ito. Pero since nandito tayo sa YouTube, maghahanap din tayo ng mga cons sa laptop na ito. What's inside the box? Unang-una, pag in-open mo yan, makikita nyo yung parang HP Omen na may green scenery. And then we also have the laptop. And aside from that, we also comes with the printed materials and the charger. Makikita nyo, dalawa yung kanyang power socket niya. Pero napansin ko lang dito sa charger na ito, it is 140 watts. Mataas ang kanyang specifications, pero bakit parang nalilitan ako sa kanyang charger? Normally, if it is a high-powered laptop or sa high-processor laptop, should be around mga 300 watts. But this is only 140 watts. And it also comes with a bag. And yung kanyang bag is parang so meh. Let's start with the ports, okay? On this side, we got here an audio combo jack and a Type-C. On the other side, we have here dalawang USB Type-A. So this is already a super speed USB. And at the back, we also have here another Type-C. Dito actually charging niya. Not to mention, there's also an HDMI at the back and even the vents. May kita nyo yung kanyang exhaust, parang sobrang nipis ng kanyang exhaust, di ba? It's because it's so slim and it's so very light. This is the first time na nakakita ako sa HP Omen na sobrang powerful na laptop and yet sobrang gaan. Let's start with the height. It's only less than 1 inch. The width of the laptop is 12.25 inch. The depth is around 0.9 inch. And the weight of this laptop is only 1.6 kilogram. Yung 1.6 kilogram na yun, kasing bigat na yun ng charger ko, yung gaming laptop ko. Normally, ang mga gaming laptop, mga nasa 2.5 or 3 kilograms pataas. Eto, this is only 1.6. Viewing angle of this laptop is 130 degrees and this is color white from everything. This laptop comes with a black pero wala pa sa Pilipinas. Available pa lang siya sa ibang bansa. Isang nagpawaw sa akin dito sa laptop na ito is yung kanyang keyboard. Actually, nung unang tingin ko pa lang dito sa laptop na to, it took me around 5 to 10 minutes para lang sabihin, wow. As in, parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin sa utak ko na parang sobrang ganda ng laptop na ito. Tapos, hindi lang yun. Ang ganda rin yung kanyang display. So, it says here in the sticker, it's an Intel Evo Edition, GeForce RTX, and there's also the logo of the HyperX. There's the logo of the Omen sa kanyang screen and even sa likod. And then, meron na kasi dito, 014, Design and Build for Winning. Kanina ko pa sinasabi na sobrang wow ng laptop na ito sa appearance pa lamang. Now, let's talk about the specification of this HP Omen. So, this is an Ultra 9. Ang Ultra 9 is one of the latest processor ni Intel. And of course, if it is Ultra 9, ang parang ang mga counterpart nito is an i9 or a Ryzen 9. So, by means of processor, sobrang taas niya. The memory is already 32 gig. Normally, sa mga gaming laptops namin, mga naka 8 or 16 gig lang. Ito, naka 32 gig na busog ka na, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade ang memory. And this is already a 1 tera SSD. Some of our gaming laptops are already on 512. Titingnan natin kung pwede pang i-upgrade ang storage nito. And ang video card nito is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Come to think of it, it is an Ultra 9, one of the latest and one of the fastest processor, and yung GPU niya is 4070 sa ganitong kanipis na laptop. Wow. Normally kasi pag ganun yung processor, ganun yung GPU, dapat bulky yung laptop mo para hindi ka magkaroon ng overheating. Isa sa pinakamaganda rin dito, yung kanyang display. The display is 14-inch. This is a 2.8K resolution. So that's 2880 by 1800. And this is already an OLED display. Ang OLED display, ito yung parang counterpart sa Mac na Retina display. If we're gonna talk about OLED, mas high level to compared sa mga IPS. Ito talaga yung mga pinaka-ideal sa mga photographers, sa mga video editors, yung talagang magandang quality if you don't want to use Mac. And not to mention, pag binili mo to, may kasama na siyang Microsoft Office. And currently, this HP Omen comes with a GCash promo that every time that you're gonna purchase this, meron kang 5,000 GCash rebate. So mamaya, tignan natin kung magkano yung presyo nito. This laptop comes with an HP Omen gaming hub. So dito, pwede mo i-customize yung keyboard settings mo. And dito rin, pwede mong i-change yung performance ng laptop mo. So, camera test on this HP Omen Transcend is actually maganda siya. Above average yung quality ng camera.
siya is because it's a premium laptop, same as it is a gaming laptop. And ang maganda dito sa kanyang camera, meron siyang feature dun sa HP Omen. Pwede mong customize yung background mo sa likod and i-autofocus yung camera. Kung sang angulo ka, automatic magfo-focus dun yung camera.
And of course, since this is a premium laptop, ang ganda rin ng kanyang audio. Ang ganda ng camera kanina, nakita nyo kanina, and even yung kanyang audio. This is powered by HyperX. Ang ganda ng boost niya, ang ganda ng treble niya. Parang hindi mo na kailangan ng external speaker. Ngayon, si HyperX, mas kilala ko to sa mga peripherals katulad ng mga headphones, keyboard, and mouse. And not to mention, they also have mga memories, mga storage. And now, this is the first time that they're also in the sound card. Wow. Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan how powerful is this laptop is. This is running a 4070. Magta-try tayo ng isang game dito, which is a Ghost of Tsushima. Huwag niyo akong husgahan. Huwag kayo magpipirata ng game. That's bad. We're just doing it just for research purposes. So currently, we are on the high. Lagay natin sa very high. So naglalaro siya ng mga sa around mga 40 to 50 FPS. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to reduce the graphics. From very high, lagay naman natin siya sa very low. Okay, there's no changes. Baka is because of the cinematic. Ganito talaga. So mamaya tingnan natin pa ang problem ko lang dito sa Ghost of Tsushima, no? Hindi mo pwedeng skip yung cinematic na to. Grabe lakas ng sounds, oh. Mas lalo pag nilapag mo siya, it's running on 50 to 60 FPS and very low. Gawin naman natin siya on very high. Alright, so right now, in very high settings niya, naglalaro ang FPS niya up to 40 to 50 FPS.
Men, you must hunt down the Mongol leader! Everyone, with me!
So, underneath the chassis of this HP Omen 14, ito na yon. Alright, so we got here the 1TB SSD. So, mapapansin nyo, bakit ano tong mga numbers na ito? Well, this is already the CPU, GPU, and the built-in memory. The memory is already 32GB, hindi mo pwedeng buwasan, hindi mo pwedeng dagdagan. It's already built in. It comes with 2 fan. Kailangan na kailangan para sa mga gaming laptops or yung mga high processor CPU and GPU. Pero napansin ko dito sa HP Omen, no, medyo malaki yung kanyang battery. Akala ko ito lang yung kanyang battery. Ito, kasama pa pala to sa kanyang battery. And then, ang sabi doon sa website, it can be upgraded up to 2TB. But that would be hassle kasi yung OS mo naka-install dito sa 1TB. I strongly suggest if kulang talaga yung storage, well, you're gonna use an external HDD or SSD. Just to sum it up, wala kang kailangan i-upgrade dito sa HP Omen because everything's already here. There's no vacant slot for memory or no vacant slot for SSD. This laptop comes with a 2 years HP warranty and a 1-week replacement from Laptop Factory. So, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan about the pros of this laptop. Yung mga magaganda dito sa laptop na ito. Katulad na minention ko kanina, nung inopen ko tong laptop na to, I just stared it like 5 to 10 minutes just to say wow. Pero, i-remind lang natin yung mga cons na napansin nyo. Let's start yung kanyang bag. Of course, this is a high-value laptop. We're expecting na sana mas maganda pa ang kanyang bag. Secondly, mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng kanyang keyboard. Yes, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang screen. Nakita nyo simula nung pinatay natin yung ilaw. Pero, there's a problem on it. It is only a 4-zone. 4-zone keyboard means ito lang ang nagagalaw sa kanya. 4 na kulay. Some gaming laptops, customizable keyboard per key. This is per zone. And another cons na napansin ko sa HP Omen is hindi na siya upgradable. Makikita nyo dyan sa picture, di ba? Or sa video, ano na, onboard na ang kanyang memory, even yung storage, 1TB, there's no extra slot. So, the other cons on this laptop is yung kanyang charger. Kanina na-mention ko, normally, ang mga gaming laptops or yung mga matataas na processor na laptops, it should be mga 300 watts pataas. But this one is only 140. So, it's just less than the half. And I just noticed, no, yung kanyang 4070 is not on its maximum effort because the TDP is only 45 watts. And probably isa rin sa cons niya yung kanyang processor. Yes, this is the latest Ultra 9 processor, which is the 158H. If you're gonna compare this sa Intel i9 na 14th Gen HX, malayo yung gap niya sa cores. Sa Ultra 9, it's only 16 cores, while sa i9, it is 24 cores. Not to mention even the turbo boost. boost. So by means of power about the CPU and GPU, medyo binabaan nila dito sa HP Omen. But I think I also know the reason why bakit nila ginawa yon. It's because number one, the laptop is so thin. Magkakaroon ka ng mga thermal issues pag talagang pinilit nila for a max TDP sa 4070 or pag ginawa nilang i9 itong laptop na ito. Ang maganda dito, since binabaan nila yung power consumption nito, mas mahaba ang battery life niya. Pwede siya sa games, pero hindi siya talaga pinaka-ideal for gamers. Mas ideal pa to sa mga photo editors, video editors. Bakit? Because this is an OLED screen with a 4070. Yes, pwede ka mag-games dito. Maganda, 4070, nakita nyo naman yung FPS. Pero mas perfect siya sa mga video editors, photo editors, or mga content creators. And to be honest guys, I'm actually buying or owning one of these laptops. Kasi I think I'm on the stage na ayoko na rin talaga ng super powerful na laptop. Mas gusto ko na lang din yung medyo portable. And to be honest, nagagandahan pa rin ako sa laptop. In spite na may mga nasabi akong cons dito sa laptop na ito, I'm still buying this laptop. And about the price of this laptop, ang SRP nito is mga nasa 130 or 140,000. But here in Laptop Factory, probably we're gonna sell it around mga nasa 120 or 125. So at least nakasave ka pa rin ng mga 10 to 15,000 from us. Pero come to think of it, 120,000 or mga nasa 115,000, magkakaroon ka ng GCash promo, you'll have a processor of an i9, a 4070. Normally kasi sa mga normal na gaming laptops, no, yung mga Ultra 9 or yung mga i9, tapos naka RTX 4070, nagpa-price range yan ng mga nasa 130 to 140,000. So parang dito, nakaganong processor at nakaganong GPU ka pa, napakaangas pa ng laptop na ito, pero mas mura pa siya compared sa mga ganong gaming laptops. So sana nakatulong tong feedback ko about this HP Omen Transcend sa inyo. Now, if you already own one of these, pwede kayo mag-comment dyan. Okay? So tatapusin ko na itong video na to dun sa mga highlights natin no season 1.